Welcome, wanderers, to another edition of Whittle Walsh's Workshop, where here on Whittle Walsh's Workshop, we'll whittle you what you want. We're back in the bus. All right, so the last time we were in the bus, I was removing the windows and trying to get a system going. I figured out the best way to get these rivets out and take out these windows and remove this paneling underneath. So I'll go through that this time so I can show you how I'm doing it. So anyway, this is what we're dealing with here. This is a before the window has been removed situation. Okay. So the first thing I've been doing is I've been taking the screws out of these panels right here. Okay, and they usually encompass about 3 of these windows, and there's a seam. You can see the seam right there. So then I'll take those off and loosen that up. Then I'll remove. There's the panel right here that's holding in one side of the window. I'll take that off. Then I'll open the window and kind of get behind here and pry these windows out, and they have that, that sealant around there that I'll chip away. And then once that's all done, you'll see that the bottom of these, this is something that the guy we bought it from put in, but when this isn't here, there's a rivet line across the bottom here, which is this rivet line right here, and it's the top of this railing right here that heads down that way. You can see we got a little snow. So once that's exposed, there's also some rivets up the hat channel here that hold in this piece of trim right here. So then once that's exposed, I will grind the heads of the rivets off with the angle grinder and a grinding wheel. Okay, so I'll just grind those off, like you'll see up here. There's a rivet line up here. Now that rivet line is the million rivets across the top of the bus that I was trying to figure out how to get out. So once I've ground the heads off of those, or the backs off of those rivets, I then take this air chisel with a point bit on it, and I go into the hole, and I just, this one of course is being a little stubborn. I'll try to run one. It's going to be a little loud. Maybe I can figure out how to turn the volume down when I post this. Takes a little work. Ta-da! And they just pop right out. And they go down in the ground, and I'll have to somehow get those out of there. But that's the process, and I've done it along that channel all the way down through here on the top, the bottom, the top, and the sides. So it's kind of a tedious deal. I'm getting about 3 windows every 4 hours or so. So I've only got about, 6 more to do? I've only got about 6 more to do. So, another day and a half, I should have this side done. And then we'll be ready for some roof raise stuff. Oh, thinking!
Hey. Daddy,
Yeah, what?
look at the snowboard. Doesn't it look good?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
I didn't find it. I put 2 chuckets in the snow pile and then put them together, and they did.
Oh, wow. Excellent.
That's what it is.
Stay tuned! We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.